Jim Carrey said money won't fix the hole inside. Your cart thinks it can. 90 seconds from click to regret. One rule stops it cold. 2 questions, 10 breaths, then decide. Wait for 1 sleep on anything over $50. Most carts shrink by morning. Calm returns faster than shipping. This is Wealth Mentor Pro, where every lesson is a step closer to your freedom. You're new here, so we'll keep it sharp. Less noise, more signal. Stay with me. Anxiety won't be fixed by checkout. Bust the myth that shopping heals stress. Offer mindful alternatives. Inspired by Jim Carrey. Hold that line in your mind. We'll turn it into moves you can use tonight. Think physics, not feelings. Stress has mass. The buy button pulls like gravity. Example, a tense meeting ends and your thumb drifts to a sale. Microstep, use the 2x10 pause. Ask 2 questions, then take 10 slow breaths. What feeling am I trying to change? What else changes it without a receipt? The pull weakens, inertia breaks. You redirect momentum instead of fighting it. A second scene, you're orbiting ads at 11:43 p.m. Every swipe increases the pull. Planets don't escape by wishing, they fire the thrusters. Example, move every shopping app into a folder named Wait and add a lock code only a daytime you will remember. Microstep, turn your screen to grayscale after 8 p.m. No color, less dopamine. The orbit loosens. 2 questions open now. What ends the spike in 5 minutes or less? And how do you stop the late night loop for good? Third scene, you get a text, limited drop, last chance. That's acceleration, not truth. Imagine a speed bump in a fast lane. Small rise, big slowdown. Example, delete saved cards. Force the full card number every time. Microstep, store your card in a drawer across the room. If you won't stand up for it, don't buy it. Let's close one loop. What ends the spike fast? Name the feeling out loud with a verb. I feel anxious. Put your hand on your chest. Breathe 4-4-6. 4 in, 4 hold, 6 out, 3 times. Your heart rate drops. The cart can wait. You just change state without a shipping fee. 1 loop remains. How do you stop the loop at night? Hold that a little longer. We'll lock it soon. Fourth scene, you're lonely. The cart promises company. That's a mirage with a tracking number. Think of a pendulum. It calms when you stop pushing it. Example, text 1 person the same line every time. Do you have 5 minutes for a voice note swap? Microstep, save that line as a keyboard shortcut. 2 messages later, the urge fades. Connection solved the thing shopping pretended to fix. Here's the twist most people miss. We don't actually want the object. We want friction to drop and feelings to change. Checkout is a mood button with a bill attached. Press feelings first, then press buy if needed. Anxiety won't be fixed by checkout. Bust the myth that shopping heals stress. Offer mindful alternatives. Inspired by Jim Carrey. Say it again. Truth gets stronger when you repeat it. Now, 3 switches that turn panic into posture. Switch 1, Wednesday window. Benefit, decisions happen on rails, not impulses. Example, all non-essentials go on a list and can only be bought Wednesday at 6 p.m., never at night, always after a snack and a glass of water. By Wednesday, most wants are gone or smaller. Switch 2, happiness hours test. Benefit, you match dollars to real life, not ads. Example, price divided by 10 should equal hours of joy or use this month. A $60 item needs 6 good hours soon. If not, it waits or dies. Switch 3, the Redline Rule. Benefit: stress never drives the purchase. Example: rate your stress from 1 to 10. At 7 or higher, you cannot buy. You must first run a change of state action. Call, walk, stretch, pray, journal, breathe, then decide tomorrow. Return to the open loop. The late night cycle ends with one design choice: curfew for dopamine. After 9:30 p.m., you do not decide. Example: set app limits for shopping, turn on focus mode titled calm, and charge the phone across the room. If a want hits, write it on the Wednesday list. If it stays by daylight, maybe it matters. Not all pressure comes from screens. Sometimes it's people. Treat yourself, they say. You can treat yourself without treating the store. Example: build an anxiety menu on your fridge. 10-minute options only. Cold face rinse, walk the block. 10 push-ups, 5 lines of journaling, 2 songs on repeat. Pick one. Spend nothing. Feel different. Drop your best 10-minute alternative in the comments. Someone will borrow it tonight. Let's add more physics to your side. Momentum is real. Build momentum toward calm. Example: create a calm cue on your desk. A candle that only burns when you breathe and write. When it's lit, you don't scroll stores. Micro step: light, breathe for 60 seconds. Write one sentence that starts with, "After I breathe, I will." Emails whisper all day. Subject lines shout, "Sale." You don't owe them attention. Example: filter the words sale, limited, and last chance into a folder named later. Micro step: check later. Once a week, Wednesday only. You hold the schedule. They don't. Your environment decides more than your willpower. Lay out water, pen, and a blank card by the couch. When the urge hits, write to someone you care about. Stamp it tomorrow. Connection lands where packages used to. What about joy? We're not monks. We want delight. So budget delight on purpose. Example: set a $25 Wonder Fund every 2 weeks. Use it for experiences that change your state. Noodles with a friend, museum hour, morning pastry, and a park bench. Joy without guilt is stronger than boxes. Some days you'll slip. We all do. Make it data, not drama. Example: create a slip card in notes. 4 lines, no shame. Trigger, feeling, cost, better swap. Next time, you spot the curve sooner. You may fear the empty doorstep. You won't lose color. You'll gain control. Packages slow down. Life brightens up. You stop paying shipping on feelings. Picture midnight again. The button glows. 7 items wait. You breathe. You run 2 times 10. You add them to Wednesday. You drink water. You sleep. Morning arrives. 2 items still call your name. 1 passes the happiness hours test. 1 doesn't. You buy the keeper without guilt. You let the rest go. Peace stays. Jim Carrey meant it. Fame and cash don't fix the human part. We don't buy a new self. We build one breath by breath, choice by choice. The receipt can't hug you, but your future self can. For more clear human money skills, subscribe for more and watch the suggested video next.